Class 12, Batch 2024 and 25. Goodbyes are not forever. They are simply the start of a new chapter. With this note, we begin today's farewell. First, we have Class 11 for their song, Asai.
Nothing tears me, but today I don't know. I never used to, teachers, I am talking to you, I never used to stand and watch my farewell receiving batch come and sit. I used to come and sit and be busy with, okay, children, hurry up. But then I was standing and I think that was a mistake I made. I'm quite very upset today to say goodbye to my students. All favorites are going to say goodbye. to the school, starting from the most notorious in my list ever. I think when I turn my old diaries and I see that I have written Sudham's name so many times, Yuvraj's name so many times there. Okay, and then you see today I have to say goodbye. They are all grown up, all of you are very grown up. Welcome to your farewell party, class 11 has said like that. So this is an official farewell, bidding farewell to all of you. I also acknowledge your contribution, your highest level contribution to all the school's activities throughout your 2 years stay. I appreciate the newcomers who joined in class 11, excellent newcomers batch in class 11 who are here to receive farewell today. You have been very obedient. You have gripped the rules and regulation of the school. You have always tried your best to be humble to all the teachers. That has added a lot of compassion for me and the teaching faculty towards the new students who joined this batch in class 11. Very pitiful, and I pity my Kaushal's face, like, how much he must have listened from me. Right in the middle of the school ground, he listens the loudest voice from me. I'm scolding, I'm not calling him, I'm scolding him. But the next moment I'm filled with remorse that, okay, why did I do that? I apologize for all the things happened. But then it was a moment where the loud voice was necessary. Enthusiasts joined us in class 11 like Bhuvan. We always talk about 100% attendance, 100% result, 100% spirit and this, but I think this boy has, there's not even 100 or 200, it's more than that. He's so highly spirited, so we should clap for him. The most troublesome has been all teachers hero, I think, Ryan Raha. My God. Troubled me like anything, infuriated me to 200%, and then then he will again, I will be furious with words in my office, and then he has got all made up, instances to tell me that why he is absent and why he is irregular. So clap for him. But stop clapping. This is not an appreciable clap. Ryan, don't try this anywhere. Okay? Get great progress made by all of you. And then, like in that list, I see that Pratika Lama has been very excellent, and then her graph went up all the time. Okay? I will not take everybody's name, but then exceptional cases you must listen to. That's why we brought class 10 as the farewell audience guest here to listen. And then Pratika was very excellent. She kept her graph from day 1 till the last day. She has been rising her graph went ascending, so that is something we need to carry always in our life. So beautiful song was being sung by class 11. I was thinking last year, when this farewell class was in class 11, they organized the best farewell, but I think it was not. Okay, this class 11 have outwit you and then outruled you, your organizing capacity. So this is how I think you all should grow, and then class 10, who is a guest today, you should again, when you come to 11, you should add new things to give farewell to the present 11. So this is all, and then let me see some more faces. Yes, Rohan has been, he was my tiny hero when he joined. Okay, then he was always my hero. I say Rohan, and then with a broad smile, he always used to respond to me, and then he goes and plays national for the school. And this batch has really brought many things in addition to add prestige to the school. So God bless you, children. On behalf of chairman, as he had to rush, one of our head of the institutions in the CISC circle, the association school, his father happened to expire, so sir had to rush. So with a message that he always remembers you in his prayer. You know chairman, sir. Yes? So he makes everything happen, all the impossible things happen with his smile and his determination. So all his prayer and blessing to you for your success in ISC as well as in your life. Examination is very near, children, so you need to be very careful about your health. Keep on inspiring yourself that yes, I can do better than what I did in this mock examination. I would also like to thank all the teachers who mentored each and every one of you. You do not know how do we run or roll your performance individually after every 10 days or after every week. Computer sciences like every week. Sciences like every week, like Friday. If not, on Monday, they must come and tell to us. Class teachers, monthly, the study note. So they have, the class teachers as well as the subject teachers have to give information, behavioral and academics to the class teacher that this child, this month has been like this. Behavior-wise, good, bad, same, average, study-wise, improvement has been shown. So you all have been in every mentor's mind, and that is why I thank the teachers who have mentored you so well to be capable to step out of class 12 and to start a new journey of your life. I will wish all of you that in the month of May, allow me to just pull off my hat and throw it in the air that yes, this is a hats off result of class 12. So it should be like that. With all these things, again, I thank each and every one of you for being a beautiful part of the school's memory for 2 years. Thank you, children. God bless you. All the best.
Although I have mixed feeling here, because every year on this very day, I have to stand here and say goodbye to you all with sad note. But I am not only sad here. I feel happy as well as proud. It's not that sad means only I just say your final goodbye on this day. Not that. I feel happy because I have seen you growing since childhood, reaching to class 12. It's not easy to say goodbye, although, but the day has come to an end. I remember each of you, whatever you did throughout the year, from small things to say many things whenever we discuss with principal about your progress. So it's not that we only talk about your faults you do throughout your life in the school. We talk about your progress. So that's why I feel proud on this day, because we don't talk only about the flaws you did throughout in the school. We feel proud because after this you are going to do something better in life. You are going to choose something great in your life. So, I wish you all a very good luck throughout your life. I would like to end with a note, taking the lines from Robert Frost, the author of many poems he has given to us in the life. Like there is a line in the poem, The Road Not Taken, where he mentions in the line, two roads diverged in yellow woods. So the roads which is going to appear now, it is you to decide and you to choose which road you will choose and how it will be in future. So I hope you will choose very in authentic manner and make your life fruitful. Best of luck for the exam. Whenever you feel I am needed, you can text me, you can call me whenever. All the best.
Honorable Principal Ma'am, my colleagues and my dear students. I must say that I am honored to be your mentor, as you all have been very special to me. It was great experience spending 3 periods in a day with you all, which I know may be boring for you all someday. So for this, I thank all commerce students for your patience, because handling in 3 periods is not an easy task. And the most satisfying part of my day was the 8th period in class 12, where I taught you all economics. So where I get all commerce and humanities students. It was my honor of teaching you all, and I too learned a lot from you all. You all are very talented, and if you keep working hard, no doubt success is yours. So I wish you all the best for upcoming chapter of your life. Remember that education is not just about textbook and exams. It is about lifelong learning, about facing challenges with courage. And always have self-belief in you and never stop working hard. And remember one quote which I have written for you. Nothing is sweeter than taste of success. I repeat, nothing is sweeter than taste of success. So keep working hard. Love you all.
It is an honor standing before you and speaking these few lines. As we are witnessing a farewell for class 12, I would start saying, we all meet to depart, and we depart to meet again. So the next chapter of life that you roll on from here, it is not the end that we are coming to. We definitely will meet again. See you on the other side of your chapter. As I've already told you, and I always say, be a true human being, be an asset to the society. Live up to the expectations that your parents, your teachers, and you yourself have shouldered upon. You look on to being what you are, always live to be what you are. Never try and compare with others. Just be who you are, and that way you're going a long distance. We don't have much to talk about because obviously so much of it's been spoken about. Like there were a few students who have already spoken about a lot of memories. Madam Principal has spoken about a lot of memories. Even Subhasa and Harkaran sir so sweetly ended by saying love you all. That was what I was quite appreciating, Harkaran sir. Thanks sir for saying love you all to them. Yes, indeed, we love them all. Most importantly, as we come to the end of the day, I still end up saying that this is not the end. We depart, but we have created millions of memories for ourselves to cherish for a whole life. A lifetime of memories that we have created for ourselves. We have touched many hearts in one way or the other. willingly, unwillingly, we might have committed a lot of mistakes. You must have been scolded for so many things, but all those things definitely will be working as a boon for you in your coming future. So I end up wishing you all the very best of luck in your life and your future endeavors, and always wish to see you all flying high like the eagles. As I would like to, before I end, I would like to recollect an instance with our chairman, sir. Like when we were having a word down in the ground, he said, "Do you know what?" I said, "Yes, sir. It's about the eagle. There are so many obstacles comes to you. Like the eagle faces so many of the obstacles with the winds that soar so high, and it pushes to the extreme limit of that eagle. But the eagle never gives up, and it always tries to fly high above that wing. And these winds are all the obstacles in your life, and I'm sure you'll be flying high above your obstacles. So with this, I wish you all the luck for examinations and your future endeavor. Thank you.
तेरी बोली बोलूंगी मैं, तेरी ही बानी गाऊंगी मैं, तेरे इश्क का चोला पहन के मैं तुझ में ही रंग जाऊंगी, तेरे इश्क का चूड़ा पहन के मैं तुझ में ही सज जाऊंगी, मैं नचती फिरा बाल ठन बलिए हो, मैं नचती फिरा छम छम छलिए हो।
मीठी मीठी सी मुनिया सर पे डाले ये दुनिया क्यों क्यों हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नो मौज में रहने दे दुनिया क्यों है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कलंगी कमाल उसे छूने दे अपनी रीत दे कुड़ी नो नचने दे नचने दे आज लगा दे घूमके
एक बार तुम तीनों के साथ मुझे अपना बचपन फिर से जीना है। इसी तरह एक बार एवरेस्ट तक जाना।
मखमल खालो वाली मस्त ख्यालों वाली चली चली चालो वाली छुपा छुपी खेलने लगी कंचन काची गोरी नटखट नामी छोरी जब रंग छोड़ा डोरी छुपा छुपी खेलने लगी ओ केटी को बर्फ बदन है केटी को लगन है मुश्किल जीना खाना रे मुश्किल यार आशिकी मुश्किल सोना गाना रे मुश्किल यार आशिकी
And thank you class 11 for organizing such a wonderful farewell. Thank you principal ma'am, teachers, not only the subject teachers who taught us, but also the entire teacher of this school. Because somewhere in our life there is contribution of everyone. In 21st century, where competition is at peak, we have to do hard work. Because there is no success without hard work. And there is no substitution of hard work also. If you want to see yourself where you have thought for, and if you want to see that your child is seeing you as an inspiration,
then you have to do hard work. So on this, I want to sing a few lines. It is an old song. I don't know if you have know or not. So it goes like, रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के हाथों पे करके मिलेंगे सारे बाहर के रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के हाथों पे करके मिलेंगे सारे बाहर के ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही. The word Rahi in this song means traveler. We all are travelers because while traveling in the journey of our life, we face many difficulties. There will be many difficulties we will be facing, and similarly, the class 10 students, when they come to class 11, they will face problems. When class 11 goes to class 12, they will face problems. But don't worry, don't give up in any of the situation. And again, I want to sing a few songs.
We didn't know you were a singer.
के जियो और न सर झुका के जियो, मुँह झुका के जियो और न सर झुका के जियो. गमों का दौर भी आए तो मुस्कुरा के जियो. Even though whatever the situation is, never forget to smile. Thank you very much. Aditya gave me a game, then I chose a check. It is written here, how did you stay motivated through the ups and downs of this school? So, as my dream is to become an Indian Army as an officer, so thinking of my dream, thinking of my aim, I stay motivated every time. Thank you.
A very warm afternoon to one and all present out here. Honorable Principal Ma'am, my respected class teacher, teachers, my friends and all my juniors. Today as I stand here, I have a mixed emotion, like sir already said, a bittersweet emotion. I'm happy that I will go college, like I will end your college life, but even I'm sad that I will leave this prestigious school where I learn many new things. Firstly, I would like to thank Madam Principal and Chairman Sir who allowed me to come here in 11th standard, so I got an opportunity to study here. Secondly, I really thank my juniors to organize such a beautiful program. And like for my teachers, I would like to say, they are the real one, because the way our physics teacher teaches physics, Ankit sir, mind blowing. Like physics is just a fun. Our biology teacher, Sandeep sir, yes, he's the real biology teacher because he makes biology just in our fingertips. Our chemistry teacher, Avik sir, his periods are we are enjoying his class. The way he teaches us organic chemistry. From here, we get a naphthol. If we add beta naphthol, in another one, we get alpha naphthol. Yes, it's interesting, right? Our literature teacher, Madam Gopika Batrai. Thank you, ma'am, very much that you made me love literature very much. Our Hindi teacher, Bablu sir, really thank you that you made me love Hindi very much. Our language teacher and our class teacher, the coolest one, sir. He made me to get new skills in language. The way he teaches me phrasal verb. No, it's not like this. You have to do this and you will get a good marks in examination. The way they treat us. And apart from science faculty, there are a few more teachers who has touched my heart. Like Ashish sir, Pritesh, Divas sir. And overall, there is one more teacher who supports his students, always motivates his students, and always guides. None other than Harkaran sir. Thank you very much, sir. You are the one who had motivated me. Even now, I remember that when I came first day in the school in 11th standard, I was a bit happy but nervous too, because it was my first day and I didn't know that how I will deal with my new friends, as I just left Cornerstone in 10th standard and I came here. But here, my friend taught me Yes, the chapter begins. We have to close our all chapters and we should begin a new one. And I did so. And I still remember the words of Madam Gopika Bhatrai. Time flies fast. She told us in 11th standard, and I think like yes, she was true because we didn't knew how the time flies fast. Because we were in 11th standard and just in a blink of eye we were in 12th. And I think just a day before our session has begun. But today is our last day. And for my juniors, I would like to say, follow the words of your teachers because they guide us, they motivate us, and the words of them are really very helpful for us. Because the thing that teaches us, we don't flip the pages of our books, we don't go through our notes, and at the very end moment, we are just panicked. But if we do follow the words, if we do flip our pages, then yeah, it's very easy to pass examination. It's not like very tough. In conclusion, I would like to say that yeah, follow your teachers and thank you very much.
Class 12 is going to end so soon. It still feels like yesterday I took the admission in class 5. I still remember those days when teacher ma'am used to ask what's your name. After Gopika ma'am taught me how to use such kinds of works. Subhash sir told me how to properly use the fountain pen. I still remember the first day when I brought ball pen in class 5. Subhash sir told you should not use this. And when the first day I entered the school campus of BS, I was still confused to look the new friends, sirs. But it took just few days. After a few days, I totally accommodated with all my friends and teachers. Now I can probably say that I have made a family called BS. After our parents, teachers are the biggest source of our inspiration. I would like to express the sincere gratitude to all teachers for supporting and guiding us throughout our school life. Before concluding my speech, I would like to say, I hope you all will have a great session ahead. Thank you.
Memories of this place, which shall remain with me till my last day. I'm sure that you all will also carry these memories until the end of your life. This beautiful school will always be an important part and parcel of our lives. Who can forget the highly awaited and anticipated school bell for recess time? We would all rush out of the classrooms as if we were like animals in a cage who have been left free. Moreover, that feeling of intense excitement will be unmatchable. The final school bell signaling the end of the day was even more exciting. Now, of course, all of that will be left behind. As it went by fast, just like our parents said it would. So I hope with all of my heart that each of you have cherished these precious moments we have spent it together. Because no matter how much you may want to, you can't come back to high school. There's universal truth we have to face, whatever or not we want to. Everything eventually ends. As much as I have looked forward to this day, I have always disliked endings. The last day of summer, the final chapter of a good book, the end with a close friend. But endings are inevitable, leaves fall, and you close the book. Those are one of the days of all of us. And how can I forget by acknowledging my teachers? Dear teachers, what we are today is because of you. Furthermore, the knowledge that you imparted to us is one of the most valuable things in our lives. This knowledge that you gave us will be a weapon for the life ahead. Respected teachers, you occupy a very high status in this life of every student. So let us make this farewell the best farewell in the history of our school. Some tears will be shed, some smiles will be shared as we bid farewell to our school life. You will always relish this moment for the rest of your lives. And it is very truly said that things must end to begin again. Thank you everyone. This is me, Priyata Lama, signing off for today. The question here is, what are you most excited about for the next chapter of your life? So for me, I'm excited for every chapter because music is there with me, so I don't fear anymore because every time music helps me a lot. So I'm very excited. So let's see what happens the next. Thank you. Juniors and my wonderful batchmates, I'm Prerna Thapa of class 12. I'm here to speak some words on our final goodbye, also on the behalf of my dear classmates. Today is a bittersweet moment for all of us. As we stand on the threshold of a new journey, it's hard to say goodbye to the place that has shaped us into who we are today. And now, as we prepare to bid farewell to our beloved school, we are filled with nostalgia, gratitude and hope. These school years have been filled with lessons both in books and life, from struggling with assignments to celebrating our victories, from laughter in the corridors to the last-minute preparation before exams. Each moment has been special. Our teachers have been our guiding lights and we are forever grateful for their wisdom and support. To our juniors, you are the future of the school. Make the most of many opportunities, cherish every moment and carry forward the spirit of this institution. Trust me, time flies soon. You will be standing where we are today, wondering where all the years went. As we step into the world, we take with us not just knowledge but memories, friendships and the confidence to chase our dreams. Though we may be parting ways, this school will always be our home and we will forever be connected by the bond we share. So, let's not say goodbye but rather, see you soon because our journeys will cross again. Thank you for being a part of this beautiful chapter in our lives. Wishing everyone success and happiness in the future. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Honorable Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my juniors. I am Ayan Chanda and today we are gathered to say goodbye to a chapter of our lives that has filled with laughter, tears and countless memories. As we stand here, we are filled with a mix of emotion, sadness and also excitement and hope for the future. I remember the day I first stepped into this school 15 years ago when I was in nursery and navigated ups and downs of school life and discovered my passion, made lifelong friends, created memories that we cherish forever. Today, I want to make a moment to appreciate the world-class education. Your dedication, passion to excellence is an inspiration to all of us. With us, the values, lessons that we have gained here. We will face new challenges and make new friends, but we will always look back our time here with joy and appreciation. And to all the teachers out here, I want to say thank you for your hard work, dedication and passion. Thank you for believing us, supporting us and inspiration to reach our goal. But here are many teachers and one teacher who made a profound impact on my life and many others is our Harkaran sir, who is not just a teacher for me but my inspiration, mentor, friend and a brother. He gave me a lesson that education is not just about grades or academic, but about becoming the best version of ourselves. Thank you sir for believing me and pushing to do best and showing learning can be fun and exciting. As we bid farewell to this chapter of our life, we do so with hope and excitement. We will always remember the lesson we learned and the memories we created. Thank you and I want to conclude my speech by saying, practice like we have never won and perform like we have never lost. I repeat, practice like we have never won.
We have spent many wonderful years here, learning and growing together. In the past years, we never thought that we will someday approach a day when we would stand like this and bid goodbye to our beloved teachers and principal. However, we also remember the lesson taught by our dear teachers who always said that this is just a chapter of our life which gets closed and the new chapter of life begins. Though true, we are not going to forget the lesson we have learned in the school and the bonding we share with our teachers. Our teachers are extremely kind and supportive who have always showed their selfless love and care and attention to each one of us. They have been guiding us through the right path and teaching us the discipline and good manners along with studies. Thank you is a very small word. The kindness and gesture our principal ma'am and teachers have shown to us is incomparable and we promise that we land in the new world with positive approach and attitude. We will forever represent ourselves as the good messengers of this lovely and reputed school. so that our teachers can feel proud of us. We have learned many activities and skills in the school which is very helpful to us. It's hard to say goodbye to our beloved teachers, though we are here with taking along cherished memories which we can treasure forever in our hearts. At the end, I would like to thank Class 11 for arranging such a lovely event and everyone for gathering here for the celebration of the last day of our school. Thank you very much. Good afternoon everyone. I, Deepalakra of class 12, I am here to deliver a farewell speech behalf of my classmates. As we stand on the edge of new beginning, it feels like right moment to reflect on all beautiful memories we have created together. Today, as we part away, I want to share a little poem that speaks to the journey we have all walked side by side. The time has come to say goodbye with happy heart and teary eyes. The day we have shared, the laugh we have known, in every moment we have truly grown. Though we part away, don't feel alone. The memory we have made will always be home. Farewell for now, but not goodbye. In our heart, we will always fly. Before I end, I would like to thank our Honorable Chairman, Sir, respected Principal Ma'am and my dear teachers and our wonderful Class 11 for organizing this beautiful farewell for us. Your effort and kindness means a lot to us and we truly appreciate everything you have done to make this moment special. Thank you for making this farewell so memorable. Thank you.
Principal Ma'am, Subhash sir, all dear teachers and my classmates and juniors. I am Ankushman today. How I wish I could live a life again. There is some might by someone saying, give me some sun, give me some rain, give me another chance, I will grow once again. However, that is not to be for the day to say goodbye has finally come. Having spent the better part of my life in Buni School, which has been my second home, now I realize what a big piece of my life I am leaving behind. I say goodbye to the school, my teachers, and to each one of you. The school has taught me a lot of many things. The disciplinary rule really allowed me to get carried away. The schedule helped me to stay focused on the priority of my life. I have some line for my friends that कुछ टूटे हम हैं, कुछ टूटे ख्वाब है, अधूरी हसरतों में फिर भी रुबाब है, महफिलें रूठ गए हमसे तो क्या, दोस्तों के साथ बिताए हुए हर एक पल में अपना ही सवाब है.
That I and this school grew up together. I feel so proud today that I'm a part of this school and part of the Boone family. It has been a great journey in this school. I'm going to miss each and every one of you, and I would like to thank Class 12 for making us feel so special today. We could not have a better junior than you. And I would also like to thank all my teachers for their support and their encouragement that they have given us throughout our journey. I would like to thank all my teachers. They have played a great role in making me who I am today. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone present out here, principal ma'am, teachers and my friends and my juniors. Myself Rasa, it's been 16 years in this BES. Why 16? Because I failed in class 5 and I enjoyed my life in this school. I would like to thank my teachers, my friends and especially principal ma'am who saved me in class 10 from principal sir when he was about to give me TC. Principal ma'am consulted to principal sir that no, he is improving. Then when I was first got admission in this school, I came with a school provided us van when I was small. Now my school have bus. I am proud. I am a good physical student. Thank you. I would like to thank my commerce faculty teachers, my math teachers, and to those teachers who is not teaching me, like Divas sir, like Divas sir, Pablo sir. I would like to thank them all. Thank you.
Really gonna miss my friends, my teammates, and I'm really gonna miss those moments which we had in Kolkata. And while we went to play nationals in Kerala, I still remember when we lost the final in Kolkata. Ritik and Kashera, they all were crying like Kashera, he was advising everyone not to cry, but he was crying alone. And also my friend Ayush, Sumit, Thilen, he was crying like thank you.
It reads, this certificate is presented to Master Sanjay Chetri, son of Srimati Ranjita Chetri and Sri Hemo Chetri of class 12 for being an outstanding student. Passion to learn, desire to understand and disciplined behavior are his special qualities. We believe that in future he will make his family and institution proud due to his exceptional qualities and determination. We wish him a bright future and healthy life ahead. Master Sanjay Chetri.
all the students of class 12 and the class teacher to please give a present to our principal ma'am.
You must learn to leave a souvenir to the school. So I had told him, buy a small clock, and today I was seeing the camera that somebody, a gentleman came and carrying a huge plate, and I was saying that what was been ordered, that somebody entered the office with a big thing. What is that? What parcel is that? So I was being told from the office that it is a gift Tejas has brought. So thank you so much. This is not for principal ma'am. This is for, it's a souvenir from your class to the school. And yes, tears come. Many years back, my past student, okay, let me receive this first. On his farewell of class 10, that time we didn't have class 2. So his last lines were like, his tuition teacher was Mr. Viti Subba, Mr. Vin Subba. So he said that even in storm, in rain and cold and fog, sir came to my house to teach. And at last he paused and then he said that, thank you so much, sir. So that was the line that he said was with lot of gratitude. We could sense the gratitude. The tears were rolling down my eyes and he did not stop. And that boy also had been very close. Of course.